know what you're saying. How big is the snowboard? Doesn't look that big. Nah, it's got a big nose. Foggy with ski poles and things like that. Always following the board still happening. Depends new board that he's never ridden, so if he dies, well, that was bad. Carrying this board in a weird way. To another episode of Gone to the Chat with Kieran the Ben. Ben was alive, he didn't die when Dane sent him into moguls in our last episode.
Yeah.
We have news from Mr. Ben, which you can probably guess right now, but go for it.
So, I basically discovered doing the carving course that the length of the board doesn't matter. So I got a new board. It's the Nitro Banker. It's very nice, very fast, but it's a 156 and I ride a 148. So, yeah, I'm basically Zed Powell, but with 1% of the skill.
For clarification, I am currently riding a 156.
Yes.
And I'm a little bit taller.
You're quite a lot taller, yeah. But it's fun, it's fast.
You didn't die there and you were holding a board, so imagine how good you'd be not holding
Exactly.
Not holding a snowboard.
Plus, I was also riding our examiner's board, which is the same board, but a 159.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think you're going to have a lot of fun today.
I think I'm either going to have a lot of fun or I'm going to break something.
Well, yeah, I guess that's the other option. And the only difference is the bindings. You just check the stiffness of the bindings he had and the stiffness you have. That could be the only change.
Yeah, his bindings are quite a lot stiffer. But it's fine.
You can always change them.
I might buy some new ones.
Sweet.
So, yeah, if anybody wants a shitty old yes shifter board with some bindings, hit me up.
Yeah, great. What else? So carving course last day.
Woo!
Predictions?
At this point, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. I think riding wise, we've either all passed
Or
he's just being really nice and he's going to go, do you know what, you improved so much.
You're just
and
not
this has
quite
helped
there.
you. You know, the difference from day 1 to day 5 has been incredible. Unfortunately, it's not the standard that we're looking for.
Yeah, you're just not quite there yet.
Sweet, thanks, dude. And then teaching wise, I think mine yesterday was good.
Oh, I me up.
You had a little. Well, no, you didn't up.
I did.
You forgot to mention specific body parts and a part of the tent. But that's fine. Everything else was there. Like you nailed safety, nailed like conditions, nailed. Just nailing things.
Yes, it's fine. I'm going to redeem it today.
Yeah, so that's the proper one anyway.
And he's going to be like, whoa, that's the best thing that I've ever seen. Or he's going to go, huh, Ben, maybe you should go and give Dane your red jacket back.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's an option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Or we could maybe just dye yours blue.
What, my jacket?
Yeah.
It'll just become a lefty.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad we're all feeling good and pumped for today's session.
Kieran gave himself a mild concussion.
I did, yeah, but we're not going to talk about that.
He says he's very sore all over.
I'm very sore all over, and I did forget who I was for like 20 minutes yesterday.
He also forgot what jacket he was wearing and where his left pass was until I reminded him. I think he may still be concussed. Either that or now he's just retarded.
It was the inverse traverse that I did behind Jesse yesterday when I was trying to ride straight and I just couldn't.
Well, it looked really good.